Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to join a Microsoft Teams meeting. There are actually several ways to do this, and I'll walk you through 3 different methods so you can choose whichever works best for your situation. The first method involves using a meeting link that's been shared with you. Start by going to your inbox or navigating to a chat channel where someone has sent you a meeting invitation. Look through your messages until you find the one containing the meeting link. Once you've located it, simply click on that link. This will open a new window where you'll see options to join the meeting. From here, all you need to do is click on the Join Now button and you'll be connected to the meeting. This method is particularly useful when someone quickly shares a meeting link with you through a chat. The second way to join a meeting is through the Meet feature in Teams. On the left side of your screen, you'll see a navigation panel with various icons. Click on the Meet option. This will take you to a section where you can view all your scheduled meetings. You'll see a list of upcoming meetings that have been scheduled in your calendar. Find the specific meeting you want to join from this list, then click the Join button next to it. After clicking Join, you'll be presented with the option to join now. Click that button and you'll enter the meeting. This approach is great when you want to see all your meetings at a glance and join directly from that view. The third and final method uses the calendar feature. Navigate to your calendar by clicking on the calendar icon in the left-hand navigation panel. Once you're in your calendar view, browse through to find the meeting you're looking for. You can scroll through different days or use the search function if needed. When you've located the meeting, click on it to open the meeting details. You'll see information about the meeting along with a Join button. Click on Join and then click Join Now to enter the meeting. This method is ideal when you're planning your day and want to join meetings directly from your schedule. Each of these 3 methods will get you into your Microsoft Teams meeting successfully. You can use whichever one feels most convenient depending on where you are in the Teams app at that moment. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.